So over here you can see that I have a bunch of files, and let's say what I want to do is I want to delete those files. So in that case you can go around onto the file that you want to delete and click on the three dot icon and just click on remove right here. So once you do that, that file will be removed. We can go around over here, click on remove again, and that file will be removed as well. But if you want to recover it, then you can go around onto trash right here, and this is where you can see the deleted files. If you want to permanently delete them, then you can go around, click on the three dot icon, and then click on delete forever right there, and then it'll be deleted forever. But if you want to restore it, then you can go around and click on the three dot icon right here, and then click on restore right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, owned by me, then you see the file over here again. And that is how you can delete out and recover out reports inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.